Hi everyone. Last lecture you start about the schedule T, that is a good manufacturing practice in pharmacy. In that you see about the good manufacturing practice are prescribed to be ensured that the factory premises general requirement for process of pharmacy in that location and surrounding buildings, then water supply, disposal of waste, cleaning, store raw material, various types of raw materials that are categories: raw materials of metallic origin, raw materials of mineral origin, raw material from animal source, fresh herbs, dry herbs or plant parts, excipients, volatile oils, perfume and flavor. Then plant concentrates, the exhausts, resins, then packing materials, finished good stores, working space, health, clothing, sanitization and hygienic of workers, medical services. Then next, machinery and equipments in the practice of pharmacy for carrying out manufacturing depending on the size of operation and the nature of product manufacture. Suitable equipment either manually operated or operated semi-automatically, electrical or steam based or fully automatic machinery shall be made available. Manufacture such as crushing, grinding, powdering, boiling, mashing, burning, roasting, filtering, drying, filling, labeling, and packing is for user machinery and equipment. The next batch manufacturing record, it is very important. The license shall maintain batch manufacturing record of each batch of a Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs manufactured, irrespective of the types of product manufactured, classical preparation of a plant, patent and proprietary medicine. Manufacturing records are required to provide an account of the list of raw materials and their quantities obtained from physical characteristics and chemical tests as may be necessary or indicate in approved books of Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani medicine mentioned in a first schedule of a Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. So, these four batch manufacturing records, next distribution records, then records of market complaint, in that manufacturers shall maintain a register to record all reports of market complaint received regarding the product sold in the market. The manufacturer shall enter all data received on such a market complaint. Investigation carried out the manufacturer regarding the complaint as well as any corrective action initiated to be prevent recurrence of a such market complaint shall also be recorded. Once in period of a 6 month in manufacturing shall submit the record of a such complaint to the listening authority, licensing authority. A report of any adverse reaction resulting from use of Ayurvedic Siddha or Unani drugs shall also be maintained in a separate register by each manufacturer. So it is important that is a licensing uh, gives the main marketing product of a entering the report receiving data in a marketed product. Then quality control. Preferably for such a quality control, there should be a separate expert. The quality control section shall have the following facility. In that first, the sold 150 square feet area for quality control section for identification of raw drug reference books and references sample should be maintained. A manufacturing record should be maintained for the various process. Then to verify the finished product control, sample of a finished product of each batch will be kept for 3 years. It is a very important things that to verify the finished product, control sample of a finished product of each batch will be kept for 3 years. To supervise and monitor adequacy of a condition under which raw material, same finished products and finished product are stored. Supervision is a very important and monitoring also gives the reporting of a condition required for raw materials, semi finished product and finished product are stored. Keep record in established shelf life and store requirement for each drug. Then manufacturer who maintain are manufacturing patent property Ayurvedic Siddha and Unani medicine shall be provide their own specification and control references in report of a such formula drug. Then the standard for identity, purity and strength as given in respective pharmacopoeias of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani system of medicine published by Government of India and shall be compliant with all raw materials will be monitored for fungal, bacterial contamination will view to minimize such a contamination. Last quality control section will have to minimum of a in that first one person will be degree qualified in Ayurvedic Siddha Unani system AUS as per schedule second of the Indian Medicine Central Council Act 1970 84 of a 1970 of a recognized university or board. Then provide that a bachelor of pharmacy, pharmacognosy and pharmacochemistry may be associated with the quality control section. So this for today's lecture. Next lecture you will see about remaining part of schedule T. Today you will discuss about what are the machinery and equipment used to process of pharmacy or good manufacturing practices in next batch manufacturing records in that to maintain the batch records it is essential for Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs in the first schedule. Then distribution records of market complaint, quality control in that various section or a space for quality control area it is 150 square. Then the quality control section will have to minimum one person or degree qualified in qualification in Ayurvedic Siddha as per schedule second of the Indian Medicine Central Council Act 1970 84 of a 1970 of a recognized university of a or a board and provide the Bachelor of Pharmacy, Pharmacognosy and Chemistry may be associated with the quality control section. So these are requirement for Schedule T. You see about factory premises and general requirement. In general requirement you see the location and surrounding, then building, water supply, disposal of waste, container cleaning, store, various raw materials, packaging material, finished goods store, working place, health, clothing, sanitation and hygienic of workers, medical services, machinery and equipment, batch manufacturing record, BMR, that is a BMR, then distribution records, record of market complaint, quality control area it is 150 for identification of raw drugs, reference books and reference sample should be maintained. Various quality control section will have minimum of a qualification required for the require for this attending a section for provide the Bachelor of Pharmacy, Pharmacognosy and Chemistry may be associated with quality control section. So next lecture you will see remaining part of schedule T. Thank you.